I'm Suzanne Thompson, an Ingo woman from Outback Central Western Queensland. We're out at Turraburra and we offer a Turraburra guesting on country experience. We're roughly around about 2.5 hours northeast of Longridge. You can have a 3-hour on-ground experience where we typically go and have a look at the site and a little bit of bush tucker. And then we also then offer up to a 5-day experience. We also learn about the different plants and medicines that are there and make a really special tea for you. Go and collect ochre. You'll learn a dance while you're here. So Murrawonga is the teaching wall of life as we know it and everything that we created as a law for us. We like to just take children in that are over the age of 12. So the little people get to go off and they'll get to collect some native lemongrass. So if you come walk on country with us, we'll connect you with the ancient ancestral whispers.